Hey everyone, this is Geek Out Everything, and this video is going to be about the part guide video for the 3070 and 3080 PC build. Yes, in this video we're going to be building a PC using 3070 and even 3080. It just comes down to your personal preference, and it's going to be the gaming, streaming and productivity PC, so you can use it for gaming and streaming at the same time and productivity as well. And we're gonna be having a little bit of the color scheme for this build. So yep, and I think I like white and blue, so yeah, I'm going with that theme. So yeah, starting with the processor, as you can see we have the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X, which is not only the best value for money processor in this price range, but also gives you a really heavy amount of performance. As you can see, it has 8 cores, which is more than enough if you want to stream or game at the same time, or even if you want to do more multitasking, you can do that. Those extra cores will help you a lot. So yep, and now going to the cooler, which is AIO. I don't know why I have this deep cool captain, but that's not what we are going with. We are going with the deep cool castle, which is 240 AIO. So let me just show you. Let me just open it. So yep, as you can see, this is the one, and why I've chose this is because it's white, one of the biggest thing. And the second thing is because of its performance. It performs actually really good, and in terms of looks as well, it actually looks pretty sick. As you can see, it has some RGB features in it that will look really great, and in complete build it actually shines really nicely. So yep. And for the motherboard, we are going with the TUF Gaming X570 Plus, which is not only one of the best in terms of value for money, but it has everything you need basically. So as you can see, it has two M.2 PCI Express Gen 4 ports, so you can put two M.2 SSDs in it, and it also has two PCI Express 4th Gen slots. So yeah, to take the full advantage of those new GPU, the 4th Gen PCI Express is gonna help a lot. So yeah, that's why we have chose this. In terms of looks, it might not be the best one, but I think it actually looks pretty good. So yep, and it has ton of USB ports, so you don't have to worry about that. And we have two RGB headers and 4 USB 2.0 ports. So yeah, that's a pretty good thing, to be honest. And if I just compare it with something like I would say the ROG Strix one, which is I think $300 or something, and I would say it is actually pretty similar to that. I've compared both of these motherboards, and I think TUF Gaming is actually better in terms of value for money, and it has everything you need. And the price is also really good. As you can see, the price is $188, which is pretty great price, to be honest. And now for the RAM, it's none other than Corsair Vengeance RGB, and as you can see, and I think you guessed it right, why we have gone for this. They are white and they looks actually pretty sick. So as you can see, in terms of looks, they are actually one of the best, and they are 3200 megahertz as well, which is CLs, and the cache latency of 16, which is again pretty good. The 3200 megahertz, I would say, is actually really good. You don't have to go too overkill. The 3200 megahertz is, I think, sweet spot too. And for the storage, I've gone with the Crucial P1 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, which is again I think it's pretty fine. And for the extra storage, it actually comes down to your personal preference, how much storage you want, but I think 2TB gonna be fine for most of the people. So we have gone with the Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard drive. So for the case, we have gone with Lianli Landcool 2, and you might have guessed it why we have gone for this. As you can see, it's white, which is exactly what we need, and it has a really I would say simple or minimalistic design. It doesn't have so much fancy stuffs, and it has dual tempered glass side panels, which is again really great, to be honest. And it has I would say enough space to build in it, and after building in this, it's gonna look even more beautiful. And now the power supply. So as you can see, I have 850 watt 80 plus gold power supply over here, which is the Corsair RM850. But if you're gonna go with the 3070, then you can go for the 750 watt as well. But if you're gonna go with the 3080, then I would say 850 watt is more than enough. And these are some extra fans. As you can see, these are the Corsair 120mm fans. So yeah, and they actually looks really good. As you can see, they have they are white. So yeah, that's exactly why we have chose these one, because they're gonna go pretty nice with the color scheme. So yeah guys, that's about the part guide. If you talk about the pricing of this PC, then this is not the right price. So so the actual price of this build is gonna be around 1,47,000. I would say 1,48,000 if you're gonna go with the 3070 build. And even if you are waiting for the Ryzen Zen 3 processors, which is gonna be the Ryzen 4th generation, then I think it's going to announce next month, then this motherboard is gonna support that. So it's actually a future-proof motherboard. So if you are waiting for that, then you can totally choose this motherboard, because it's one of the best in this price range. So yeah, so guys, that's for this video now. And if you just simply like this video, hit the like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That would be really helpful. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.